This whole week we've been going out and touring different plants together with the UAW leadership and the local committees, together with the plant management teams, just to look and do a checkpoint around our status for reopening. And they've modified stations to make sure everything is safe and ready to go when it comes to making the proper measures and making sure that we're absolutely ready to go, including the PPE we have on right now, but also things like weld curtains, Plex, social distancing, reconfiguring stations. Really impressed with the work.
It's times like this where I'm very proud to be part of this manufacturing team at FCA, because we have a lot of caring people who really understand how serious this issue has been for the state and for the country. There's some very clever people amongst the tradespeople here, certainly the management team here, other employees who have volunteered to come in and help with this. And they have some really good ideas, I think, that'll make the workplace workable, a place where any of us would want to work, but very safe. And, we want to be together with our teammates, but not too much now. It's different. And I think they've come to some really good arrangements to make that happen.
We'll be working differently than we have been before. A key difference is we're all going to be required to wear the mask. It's different to get used to. It's going to take a shift, a day, to get used to wearing that.
The masks are not for me. The masks are there to protect everybody else. If I came to work and I was sick without knowing it, if I were to cough or sneeze, it would be coughed into the mask that I'm wearing, thus protecting you.
We've got a few more things to do over this next week to get the rest of the action items closed that the teams are working on. 100% comfortable and 100% comfortable that I would have my family here as well. And my FCA family will be here, so I am comfortable.